Welcome back to Atypical Wealth. Today we have another amazing LA home tour here for you today. We are in Los Feliz. One of my favorite neighborhoods in Los Angeles. It is right next to Hollywood, Silver Lake, and all of these amazing hot spots. Look at the Spanish detail on the tile. You're on a quiet street. Parking's tough, but don't worry, you have your own spot. As you walk in, you see these beautiful original wood floors. Beautifully maintained here. This is a one bedroom, but this is ginormous for a one bedroom. You have this long living room and it's almost like two separate spaces in the front, near the front door and towards the back. Totally different zones you can create here. You have a lot of original details from when this condo was built. This was built in 1923. We have the fleur de lis here. And I might have butchered that, but you know, that one symbol that the saints use. Just really cute original details. And we might have missed it, but that is a massive closet that we just kind of peeked into. And we're not even done, guys. Remember, this is a one bedroom, but it is massive. We're in the kitchen now. So this kitchen has a lot of potential for you to add your own spin on things, right? We see these little nooks where you can create more spaces for storage. We see the vented stove, and you can upgrade these with your own appliances. And I think there's enough space here for you to kind of create a little dine-in area if you want, with a stool and maybe a table that folds out, up to you. But honestly, you have a lot of storage space already. You might as well just go out and make that second dining room in the living room and call it a day. Next, we're headed into the bathroom. We have the single vanity here. Lots of opportunity for upgrades and making this your own. The white tile is honestly timeless. With a quick reglazing job, you're in business with this shower tub combination. This is a really good foundation to come in and make it your own. Coming out of the bathroom into your washroom, we have your front-loading washer dryer here and lots of storage space opportunity once again with these tall ceilings. This is also the entrance to the backyard, but we'll go back there in a sec. This would be your bedroom. You're getting flooded with light in this space. Perfect for one or two people. You have a view of the backyard area and where your parking will be as well. Let's go ahead and get a closer look at the storage space. Regular size closet right there, but remember you have the massive storage opportunities throughout the home. Let's take a look at the backyard. Okay, as you can see, we are on the bottom left side of this complex and there's not very many units here, which is awesome. You can see that each unit has its own electrical meter and central AC, which is great. You have some community space here off to the side, which is awesome as well. And look at how small this complex is for it being such a huge unit for a one bedroom. I mean, it doesn't even feel like that when you walk through it. Let's get our last looks at this condo. If you're looking for this condo or something like it, you need to reach out to me so we can get you all hooked up for your own private tour. There's similar condos in the Los Feliz area I'd love to get your eyes on too. Be sure to subscribe for more LA South Bay home tours. I'm Aamber Hickman and I will see you on the next one.